बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली। माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स एंड व्यूअर्स, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज का हमारा टॉपिक नॉवल गुड बाय मिस्टर चिप्स सेकंड ईयर चैप्टर नंबर 17 से है। तो बेटा बुक्स आप लोग ओपन करेंगे ताकि हम चैप्टर नंबर 17 को स्टडी करें। चैप्टर नंबर 17 लिनफर्ड विजिट, नेम इसका आप लोग राइट कर लेंगे। चैप्टर नंबर 17 में हेडिंग ऊपर दे दीजिएगा टेक्स्ट बुक्स पे, लिनफर्ड विजिट। लिनफर्ड कौन था, इसका नाम क्यों रखा? क्योंकि लिनफर्ड जो था वो चिप्स का स्टूडेंट था एंड लास्ट विजिटर ऑफ मिस्टर चिप्स। जिसने मिस्टर चिप्स को मिलने आया था तो ये लास्ट विजिटर था, तो इसीलिए इसका नाम हमने रखा है लिनफर्ड विजिट। तो चलते हैं बेटा अपने टॉपिक की तरफ। चैप्टर नंबर 17 गुड बाय मिस्टर चिप्स। ही सैट इन हिज फ्रंट पार्लर, पार्लर यहाँ पे नेम है बैठक का, बैठक के नाम में लेंगे। पार्लर एट मिसेस विकेट ऑन अ नवंबर आफ्टरनून इन अ 33. It was cold and foggy and he dared not go out. He had not felt too well since Armistice Day. Armistice Day सुलह का दिन होता है 11th November 1918. He fancied he might have caught a slight chill during the chapel service. Merriwell had been that morning for his usual fortnight chat. Everything all right, feeling hearty, that's the style. Keeping indoors this weather, there's a lot of flu about. Wish I could have your life for a day or two. His life, and what life if it had been. The whole pageant, pageant कहते हैं मंजर को, साइट, नज़ारा, इसके लिए आप लिख लेंगे साइट, SIGHT, sight, the whole pageant of it swung before him as he sat down by the fire that afternoon. The things that he had done and seen, Cambridge in the 60s, Great Gable on an August morning, Brookfield at all times and seasons throughout the years. अब यहाँ पे ये अपने माजी के दिनों को याद कर रहा है, गुजरे हुए लम्हात को. And for that matter, the things he had not done and he would never do now that he had left them too late. He had never traveled by air, for instance. एक तो उसने कभी ट्रैवल नहीं किया था, हवाई जहाज का सफर नहीं किया था. And he had never been to a talkie show सिनेमा, और ना ही वो कभी सिनेमा गया था. तो क्वेश्चन अगर आ जाता है कि what were the two things that Chips had never done in life? Chips had never traveled by air and he had not gone to a talkie show. So that he was both more and less experienced than the youngest boy at the school might well be, and that paradox of age and youth. Paradox तजाद को कहते हैं, contradiction, opposite, was that the world called progress. Mrs. Wicket had gone out visiting relatives in a neighboring village. She had left the tea things ready on the table with bread and butter and extra cups laid out in case anybody called on such a day. However, visitors were not very likely with the fog thickening early outside. धुंध जो थी वो घंटों में ही बढ़ती जा रही थी. He would probably be alone. But now, about 3:45, a ring came, and Chips, answering the front door himself, which he ought not to have done, encountered a rather small boy. उसने सामना किया एक लड़के का, wearing a Brookfield cap and an expression of anxious timidity. Timidity कहते हैं बुज़दिली को, nervousness, hesitation. Please sir, he began, does Mr. Chips live here? कि क्या Mr. Chips यहाँ रहते हैं? You would better come inside, Chips answered, and in his room. A moment later he added, I am the person you want. Now what can I do for you? मैं तुम्हारे लिए क्या कर सकता हूँ? मैं ही हूँ. I was told you wanted me, sir. Chips smiled, and old joke and old leg pull कहते हैं cheat, धोखा, frame. And he, of all people, having made so many old jokes in his time, ought not to complain, and it amused him to cap their joke, as it were, with one of his own, to let them see that he could keep his end up. Even yet, so he said, with eyes twinkling, quite right, my boy, I wanted you to take tea with me. Will you sit down by the fire? I don't think I have seen your face before. How is that? मुझे नहीं लगता मैंने तुम्हें पहले कभी देखा हो. कैसा है? I have only just come out of the sanatorium. Sanatorium हम यहाँ पे जो है वो हॉस्पिटल के लिए यूज करेंगे, sanatorium hospital. Sir, I have been there since the beginning of term with measles, and that accounts for it. Chips began his usual ritualistic blending of tea from the different caddies. Luckily, there was half a walnut cake with pink icing in the cupboard. अब उसने अपने ट्रेडिशनल रिवायती अंदाज में जैसे वो चाय बनाता था बच्चों के लिए, जब लड़के आते थे तो उनको सर्व करता था, तो उसी तरीके से उसने उसको सर्व किया. He found out that the boy's name was Linford, that he lived in Shropshire, and that he was the first of his family at Brookfield. You know, Linford, you will like Brookfield when you get used to. It's not half such an awful place as you imagine. You are a bit afraid of it. Yes, so was I, my dear boy, at first. But that was a long time ago, 63 years ago. 63 साल पहले की बात है. To be precise, be when I first went into Big Hall and I saw all those boys. I tell you, I was quite scared. Indeed. Oof. I don't think I have ever been so scared in my life, not even when the Germans bombed us during the war. But I did not last long, the scared feeling. I mean, I soon made myself at home. Where were there a lot of other new boys that term at Sir Linford Shillily. Shyly कहते हैं शर्मीला, शर्माते हुए. Timidly, nervously, shyly. Timidly, Timidly. Nervously, Nervously. Timidly, nervously, shyly, शर्माते हुए. But God bless my soul, I was not a boy at all. I was a man, a young man of 22. And the next time you see a young man, a new master, taking his first prep in Big Hall, just think what it feels like. But if you were 22 then, sir, yes, you must be very old now, sir. Chips laughed quietly and steadily to himself. It was a good joke. Well, I am certainly no chicken. He laughed quietly to himself for a long time. Then he talked of other matters, of Shropshire, of schools and school life in general, of the news in that day's papers. You are growing up into a very cross sort of world. Cross sort of world, sadness, absurdगी का इजहार यहाँ पे हुआ है. Linford, maybe it will have got over some of its crossness by the time you are ready for it. Let's hope so. At any rate, well, and with a glance at the clock, he delivered himself of his old familiar formula. I am sorry you can't stay. At the front door, he shook hands. Goodbye, my boy. Goodbye, my boy. और उसने लड़के को जो है वो अल्लाह हाफिज किया. And the answer came in a shrill treble. Treble sound आवाज में, सुरीली आवाज में. Goodbye, Mr. Chips. Goodbye, Mr. Chips. अब ये अल्फाज जो थे उसको बहुत ज्यादा पुरानी यादों में ले जाते हैं. सबसे पहले कैथी ने भी उससे ये अल्फाज कहे थे, गुड बाय मिस्टर चिप्स, और अब इस लिनफर्ड ने भी कहे हैं गुड बाय मिस्टर चिप्स. Chips sat by the fire again with those words echoing along the corridors of his mind. Goodbye, Mr. Chips. An old leg pull to make new boys think that his name was really Chips. The joke was almost traditional. He did not mind. Goodbye, Mr. Chips. He remembered that on the eve of his wedding day, Kathy had used that same phrase. Kathy ने ही ये अल्फाज कहे थे, mocking him gently for the seriousness he had in those days. He thought, nobody would call me serious today, that's very certain. Suddenly the tears began to roll down his cheeks, an old man feeling silly, perhaps, but he could not help it. He felt very tired. Talking to Linford like that had quite exhausted, tired, thaka hua him. But he was glad he had met Linford. Nice boy, would do well. Over the fog-laden, कोहर-आलूद air हवा में came to bell for call over. Tremulous, trembling, कांपती हुई. Tremulous के लिए आप क्या word use करेंगे? Trembling, 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 कांपती हुई. tremulous and muffled मध्यम हल्की सी आवाज. Chips looked at the window, graying in twilight. It was time to light up. But as soon as he began to move, he felt that he could not. He was too tired. And anyhow, it did not matter. He leaned back in his chair. No chicken. Ah, well, that was true enough. And it had been amusing about Linford, a neat score of the jokers who had sent the boy over. Goodbye, Mr. Chips. Odd, though, he should have said it just like that. जैसे कि उसने ऐसा कहा था. लास्ट चैप्टर बेटा, नेक्स्ट हमारा जो है चैप्टर नंबर 18 होगा, जो कि लास्ट है, बट उससे पहले वो हमारा अगला लेक्चर होगा जिसमें हम इस चैप्टर के मुतालिक पढ़ेंगे. अभी हम इसके क्वेश्चंस की तरफ जाते हैं. आप लोग उनको भी नोट डाउन कर लीजिएगा. एग्जामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से आप लोगों के जो मिस्टर चिप्स है उसमें से 20 नंबर का पेपर आता है. 4 नंबर 4 मार्क्स जो है वो आप लोगों के सिनोनिम्स के होते हैं और 16 मार्क्स आप लोगों के शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस के होते हैं. तो शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस की तरफ चलते हैं बेटा, इनको नोट डाउन कीजिएगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 जो है हमारा वो है, व्हाट आर द 2 थिंग्स दैट चिप्स हैड नेवर डन इन लाइफ. ऐसी कौन सी 2 चीजें थी जो चिप्स ने कभी नहीं की थी. तो उसने एक तो ही हैड नॉट ट्रैवल बाय एयर एंड ही हैड नॉट गॉन टू अ टॉकी शो. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 है, हु वाज द लास्ट विजिटर ऑफ चिप्स. चिप्स का लास्ट विजिटर कौन था, तो वो लिनफर्ड था, जिसको हमने नाम भी यही दिया है. हमने इसका नाम भी चैप्टर का यही रखा है, लिनफर्ड्स विजिट. फिर क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 है, व्हाट डिड चिप्स एंड लिनफर्ड टॉक अबाउट ड्यूरिंग देयर मीटिंग्स. मीटिंग्स के दौरान वो किस किस्म की बातें किया करते थे. क्वेश्चन 4 है, व्हाट हैपेंड व्हेन लिनफर्ड सेड गुड बाय मिस्टर चिप्स. जब लिनफर्ड ने कहा गुड बाय मिस्टर चिप्स तो क्या हुआ, क्या याद आया उसे. और क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 लास्ट है, हु वाज लिनफर्ड, कि लिनफर्ड कौन था. तो यहाँ पर बेटा हमारा चैप्टर नंबर 17 खत्म होता है. उम्मीद करता हूँ आप लोगों को इसकी समझ आई होगी. अल्लाह ताला आप लोगों को खुश रखे. अल्लाह आप लोगों का हामी और नासिर हो.